Look at us now, fighting for nothing. We should be striving for something. We're not here for a long time. Let's make it a good time. Let it go. If we cross over the lines that keep us on both sides, I know we can break the walls we've built to embrace the fear that fills our hearts and climb until we reach the highest hill. We shut the darkness down, rise above. We light forever. We light forever. We light forever. This isn't who we wanted to be. We're in these spaces, gets complicated.